Every film begins with one simple idea. Great stories don't begin with expensive cameras. They begin with imagination. I never started with visuals. I start with emotion. Emotion creates connection. Connection creates unforgettable stories. If the characters feel real, the audience forgets they're watching AI. Consistency creates belief. AI creates worlds, but I direct emotions. Technology is the brush. Storytelling is the artist. Every movement matters. Every frame tells a story. Cinema lives between motion and emotion. Editing is where the story truly comes alive. Remove everything except emotion.
I don't need a Hollywood studio, just imagination and my phone.
The future of filmmaking fits in your hand.
Don't wait for perfect equipment. Start creating. Your story deserves to be seen. Every masterpiece begins with one idea.
Hello besties, welcome once again to the ChristyHub space. This is simply my AI filmmaking workflow. I have an idea in my head, so it is that idea I simply develop into a story. So after developing the idea into a story, I take that story to ChatGPT. I usually tell ChatGPT to turn this story to a good movie, a cinematic movie for me. For example, I can have an idea of a boy that is ambitious, that is aspiring to be a millionaire after finishing school. So I will take that idea, develop it into a story. I will add all the necessary characters, the other actors, friends and relatives that will act with this boy. After developing it into a story, I will now take it to ChatGPT to help me with the scripting. So it is that script that I will take to my AI visual generation tool, which I use Google Flow for it. So Google Flow will help to create all the visuals needed for my movie. After creating the visuals I need for this movie, I will take each visuals to Google Flow also, which is also a video generating tool. It helps me to generate all the scenes given to me by ChatGPT. So after generating all the scenes, remember I've gotten my visuals, I've gotten all the scenes for my movie. Then I will now take it to a good video editing tool like CapCut or QuickCut for final editing. It is there I will now remove all the unnecessary scenes that are not good. I will cut it out, or trim it out, or split it out, and add useful transition, add my background music, add all the useful effects, after which I export it. After exporting to my device or using my phone, remember I use my phone in creating cinematic AI movies. So after exporting to my phone, I then begin to publish to all social media platforms I'm used to. I publish to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and the likes. I believe you might have seen one of my movies before. So this is a simple workflow of how I create AI movies, cinematic AI movies, using just my smartphone. So if you want to go into this tool, you can use ChatGPT. Just make sure you start from somewhere. Don't say you don't have the tools, you don't have this, you don't have that. With just your phone, you're good to creating all the ideas in your head. And start today. Start bringing that ideas to life. People want to see your story. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. If this is your first time joining us on this channel, don't forget to subscribe like our videos, share with family and friends, and to all returning subscribers, thank you very much for your continued support. My God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. If you're watching from Facebook or other social media platform, don't forget to follow. And if you're watching from YouTube, thank you very much. Subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next one where we talk about another useful tutorial. Thank you.